In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add all S&P 500 companies to a watch list in Tradingview. This process is incredibly useful for anyone who wants to keep a close eye on the performance of the S&P 500, one of the most widely followed stock market indices in the world. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete watch list set up, allowing you to monitor every company in the index with ease. Now, if you're new to Tradingview, this platform is fantastic for charting, tracking, and analyzing financial markets. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, check out the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's dive right in. To get started, open Tradingview on your device. This could be on your desktop, laptop, or even your mobile device. Just make sure you're logged into your account so any changes you make will save properly. Once you're in, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the screeners icon. It might look like a little panel with rows or a chart-like symbol. This is your gateway to the market scanning tools that Tradingview provides. Go ahead and click on the screeners icon to open up the screener section. Once you're there, you'll need to make sure you're in the Stock Screener tab. This is important because Tradingview also offers screeners for cryptocurrencies and forex markets, but those won't be relevant for this tutorial. If you accidentally find yourself in the wrong tab, don't worry. Just look for the tab labeled Stock Screener and click on it to switch over. Now that you're in the Stock Screener tab, let's locate the index filter. This is typically found at the top of the screener interface. The index filter is a drop-down menu that allows you to narrow down your results to specific groups of stocks. Click on it, and when the drop-down appears, select S&P 500. This step is critical because it ensures that the screener only displays companies that are part of the S&P 500 index, saving you the trouble of manually sorting through other stocks. Once the list is filtered to show only S&P 500 companies, the next step is to select all the symbols in the filtered list. If you're on a Windows computer, click on any one of the entries in the list. Then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to highlight everything. For Mac users, the process is similar. Click on an entry, and then press Command+A to select all. This step ensures that every company in the S&P 500 is included in your watch list. With all the symbols selected, right-click anywhere on the highlighted list. This will bring up a context menu from this menu. Find and click on the option that says Add Selected to Watch List. This action will allow you to save the selected stocks into a watch list for easy access later. When prompted, you'll need to create a new watch list. Choose the option to create new list. At this point, you'll be asked to name your watch list. A good name would be something like S&P 500 watch list to make it easily identifiable. Once you've entered the name, confirm your choice to finalize the creation of the watch list. Finally, take a moment to verify that the watch list has been created successfully. Open your watch list panel and check that it contains all the companies from the S&P 500. This step is crucial to ensure that nothing was missed during the process. And there you have it. You've just added all S&P 500 companies to a watch list in Tradingview. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.